Good morning, children. Children, yesterday we have done theorem 10.6 that equal chords are equidistant from the center, and theorem 10.7 that chords equidistant from the center are equal. So here we are doing the application of these two theorems. So if AB and CD are equal, then perpendicular distance OL and OM are equal. And converse of this, if perpendicular distances are equal, means OL is equal to OM, then chords are equal, AB is equal to CD. Let's do the application of these two theorems. Example number 2. Here, page number 178 in your book. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angle with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. So here it is given two intersecting chords, means AB and CD, two intersecting chords. These two chords make equal angle with this diameter passing through point of intersection. So here angle BEQ is equal to DEQ. This is given. Now we have to prove that chords are equal, means AB is equal to CD. So children, here we are doing the construction. Draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. Now we are proving triangle OEL congruent to triangle OEM. So in triangle OEL and OEM, angle LEO is equal to MEO. This is taken from equation 1 as BEQ. It can be written as LEO. They are same angle. DEQ can be written as MEO, same angle. So LEO is equal to MEO from equation 1. Then angle OLE and OME is equal to 90 degree. These are the perpendicular drawn from the center. And OE is common by angle, side. Triangles are congruent. So triangle OEL congruent to triangle OEM. OEL congruent to OEM by angle, side. If triangles are congruent, then OL is equal to OM by CPCT. Now chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center. This is the converse. OL is equal to OM. So the chords equidistant from the center are equal. So OL is equal to OM. So AB is equal to CD. So we have proved AB is equal to CD.